Well, I got an awesome product to show you today. If you're familiar with square foot gardening, it enables you to garden small spaces, high volume of plants. And what this does, it makes it so easy. Whether you're brand new or a veteran, what this does, this is a planter. So we're just going to pretend that this is the earth. And what you will do here is this is just pressed into the dirt. And let me just show you. Everything is by color. So as an example, let's say we want to grow carrots. Carrots, radishes, both of those are this color, and we can do 16 plants. So what you do is press this into the earth, and then what you do is this is the seed funnel, and this here is what is called the dibbler. So you would go and use the dibbler, press, 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 all the red holes. And then you follow up. Place the seed, and so forth. And then once you remove it, you will have 16 plants all planted perfectly in the correct spacing. And if you want to go, let's say, with the purple circle, with something like lettuce, you'll do 4 heads of lettuce. In that situation, press it in the earth, and we would just boom, 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 and then just place the seeds, and then the 4 heads of lettuce would grow from there. What a great product and a great gift as well. So that is the square foot gardening planting tool.